Okay, so it's just now about to be 1 p.m. I've sat in my car for about 20 minutes, and that's because they were waiting outside on the phone. They were calling the guy on the second floor in the photo. You'll see the photo somewhere else. They were calling him the white boy, and saying that he had to be in place when I arrived to lie about the blue dot and claim that he came in contact with me and established me as him. They said that the identities in Oklahoma were not able to look at each other the same way. So, look, while his ass was standing on the balcony, I put this up to keep him from occasionally looking at me or lying and claiming that I was looking at him, because they often claim that I pay people attention that I pay no mind. So let's go inside and see what this hotel looks like. It has a bad reputation. It has a bad reputation and not a good rating. I changed it. I switched it up. Remember, I said nothing less than a 3-star. So you see what's been happening at these hotels when I go. Nothing's changed. It doesn't matter how much money I spend. So rather than waste money or spend a large amount of points, because points is what I'm using today, spend a large amount of points, I decided that I would get a cheaper hotel where all the low, some of their filthiest things reside, and see what happened here. So look, on the way, as I'm coming down this road, first of all, I went to the wrong hotel. I'm so used to pulling up at a Wingate. And I'm just tired and exhausted. I haven't had any sleep. They didn't let me sleep. I watched the fucking sun come up. Well, not on purpose. From like yelling, get off me and shit, that sometimes that'll make you open your eyes. But while they attacked me at the rest stop, I've ran a few errands today so far. I've ran like probably 4 or 5 errands, been 4 or 5 different places. What they said when I was coming down the road is, he said, when we put these things in her room, when we put these things in her room, she's going to sabotage all of them by going and complaining. That's normally a precursor for a roach. Now, on the website, it had some piss, toilet paper. This is what one of the photos was. It was piss and toilet paper in the bowl with a mouse inside the bowl that someone took at this hotel. Piss, toilet paper, and a mouse, dead mouse floating. This hotel is located right behind the DoubleTree. So as I was saying, to myself before I even came over here, while I was at that Wingate, there's a Sheraton across the street, and there is another nicer hotel nearby. But that one is next door to the Red Roof. And I said, roaches don't just appear, okay? So let's say you buy a new house, and you begin to see a roach or roaches surface, okay? The area already had them. They don't just appear. So I said that to say that if there is none in the area, if there's none nearby, if they're not already occupying that geographical area, you can leave shit all over your floor and it won't matter. They ain't got nowhere to come from. You get what I'm saying? They don't just appear. Either they're already there in that area or not. The motherfuckers around me had roaches. And I had only been seeing the kind the outdoor kind, which didn't alarm me because they didn't look like indoor roaches. They didn't look like house roaches. You seen what they put on my motherfucking counter the other day with magic. That shit right there, no. And I'm terrified. I'm absolutely terrified of roaches. I hate bugs. I don't, you know, I've been attacked so much with bugs. I never had a phobia to begin with. They're just creepy crawly things and I don't care for them. Okay? But, after being attacked with bugs in the way that the federal government has attacked me with bugs, I start to see some of these other bugs and I'm like, I'm so thankful that it's not the worst shit, that they don't bother me as much, and that's bad. Like I can identify shit that I could never identify before. It's so bad, and I'm traumatized. I have a lot of fucking different traumas. And I know it don't look like it, but that's because I'm me. Oh, a plane, I missed it. So yeah, they had a mouse. I didn't see anything about roaches. And this is an industrial area. Like, there's like a lot of industrial buildings type stuff, you know, different suites or suits. Different companies and stuff. But this hotel, I guarantee you, has been here longer than all that shit. Like all these buildings, this shit that they put up, all that. Guarantee you, it's been here longer, and that they probably occasionally, you know, when you tear stuff down and you build it back up, that normally runs things out. It runs it away. But if something didn't get teared down, if they had somewhere to go, you know, you still might see it occasionally. So my biggest concern about going in here is roaches. My second biggest concern is mouse. Like mouses. Because, you know, that's another thing I'm absolutely terrified of. Small rodents. Quick moving, small fucking rodents. And pest. Roaches pest. Mouse is rodent. The rodents, if there's more than one, it turns into a pest motherfucking problem. And this place, if they had a mouse, there's a strong chance they got roaches. And whenever, like, it just makes it worse. Whenever I stay at a place that has something going on that I don't see, so when there's drug use taking place, and that's everywhere. No matter how much money I paid at a hotel, there would be someone in the hotel building doing drugs. No fucking way around it. Guarantee you. Prostitution. Always happening. So like and pest problems. I meant to name pest problems first, but that other shit too. Okay, that's why that they take complete advantage of it. They take complete advantage of it, and they're that much more eager to let me stay. Multiple nights stay also is another reason. I'm only going to be here one night. When I'm at a hotel more than one night, like, you know, normally when I go in without my bags and I check first. I'm not doing that today because I see that they're trying to identify me, like just lay their eyes on me with these random motherfuckers. And there was a vehicle too doing some weird shit, like when I first got here. A mini SUV. So I'm taking my bag and my book in with me. I'm not bringing my food in. They spoiled it overnight. Kept me up and spoiled it and lied about it and about how long I had been outside with it. You know, the air ran all night too in my car. And now they're talking about they're going to put my food back in the frequency it's supposed to be in. And I've seen them do this over and over again. And do you really think I'm about to touch these ribs, this pork, and these potatoes after they've made it smell spoiled? So if they make it unsmell spoiled, do you think I'm going to chance and heat it? Not a fucking chance. They've been bullying me. They've been asking me since last month to make a pizza. And I wouldn't. They asked me before I even left yesterday to buy one. And I agreed to that because it made sense. But I haven't yet. That thing that disappeared. I guess it's safe to go in and check in now. She told me they do have rooms. This place is packed. I wrote around the whole thing. There's maybe out of about 100 parking spots, about 5 available. No exaggeration. But she said they got rooms available, but there's an early check-in fee of $15. So yeah, there's always something going on in the hotel that I have nothing to do with, and because they're trying to pin it on me. You know what I'm saying? Like, when there's nothing else, at least they're always acting like something is nearby them, threatening to harm them. And these are the females and males that are occupying clones of me. They do it all the time. They do it at my house. That's why they don't let me sleep at my house. But at any rate, it's always to sustain or invert the identities that they're using. It's always to support their militia. It's always it's never just like to let me know something is going on and make me aware that something is going on, you know. And everything that I mentioned to you is stuff that you don't have to mention. You don't have to. Every hotel you pull up to, you should know that. That's not even a thought. So it's never like that kind of situation. It's always to fuck me over and do something to further attack my mind and my body. It's always insult of declining my appearance and mental. Let's see what this hotel looks like. Oh, y'all, he's still outside. Cube. You know I'm about to get out. Acting like he ain't up to shit. Ain't a good time to be doing shit like that. You fuck around and die. Let me put my face mask on for that reason. To keep it from getting... Look, so they lie about facial recognition all the time, okay? Like, they catch me at angles and all kind of stuff, but it's always them lying. Like, acting like they see me. Okay, let me see if I can fit my book in here. And that is not trash. Those shorts you saw me put in that bag yesterday, that's the water I brought. That's an empty cup from breakfast, and that still has a breakfast sandwich in it. It's just, I don't got a trunk or the back seat. Shit is real. Real shit going on. Okay, I managed to fit my book in my bag, and I did stop and get Starbucks. I got frappuccino and a water. I'm gonna throw all this, like I told you, this food is no longer any good, so I'll be throwing that away. I removed the tape because they were making it flop and flap in the wind. And I'm gonna avoid, so this is also how they're gonna fuck me over. Like, you know how much stuff crosses a sidewalk or a pathway? They manipulate that all the time. Me hitting a space that a lot of nasty things have hit, the nasty things hitting a space that a path that I have walked. I told you before, a lot of times when I'm out, I see them rushing right into the path that I just walked. I'm not going to be walking, and maybe that's what the intention or intent is of that, him hanging outside. I was going to avoid the walkway and walk in the driveway, but the truth is, there's no way around it. No matter, you should know by now, no matter what I do, they lie. All day long, that's all they do is lie on me. So whether I take the motherfucking parking lot or the damn sidewalk, they're gonna tell the same lies, do the same motherfucking damage. Okay, doors are locked. Bag in hand. But I need to pull my shorts down and get decent. Hold on 1 second. Showing all this skin. No, I'm wrong. That's what happened when your clothes don't fit. This is indecent. I consider this indecent exposure right now. Look. And I ain't got no fucking bra on. Look. Let's see. Up. Mouse. I ain't been to no little, under 3 lately. In a little minute. Black and mild. Nasty wrong. What I say? And he was looking at his phone. The dots. Oh, something smelled like roadkill. What is that smell? I think it's the pool. Coming through that blow. That little, oh, I can't even tell you what that kind of space is called. This kind of open space. They're blocking it from my memory. How are you? Early check-in.
Kila?
Yes.
Can I have your ID, please?
Yes, ma'am. Give me one moment. Let me grab it for you. For a purse of mine, it's such a mess.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, as I said, there's a $25 deposit.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
No problem. What is this?
That's a self-checking machine.
Oh. I've never seen one of those before. That's really neat.
Can you please have your initials here and signatures here?
Okay.
Your room number is 317 on the 12th floor. Elevators are this way. This pass was like.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
I didn't look, but I bet you they sent that elder black female in behind me. Okay, so top floor is good. That means no more will be above me. Really making sure that tougher lately. I'm so slow right now. You know, this hotel business, it's got to be rough. And most all old places, like only old, really, really old places, look, door cracked. Oh my goodness, the pool is actually so... Some of you may be able to relate to this. I can't believe the pool is clean, but you might be able to relate to this. Like when you put a face mask on, sometimes it gives you a abnormal, like you don't get all the particles associated with the smell. It's what I smelled like dirty chlorine, and you can see that's not the case. I didn't mean to stop right there either, talking in front of them people's door, but they can't hear me. Oh yay, ice. I wonder if I can. It's the ice safe. Wrong side. I love that they got cameras everywhere. Okay, 19, so 17 is gonna, oh my goodness, I'm right on the phone. D Crunchy is your ratchet ass minivan. You know, I used that USAA card today, so they've been calling me her. Oh, raggedy ass, funky bitch. Little punk ass. Okay, y'all, this is the room. It has carpet they haven't tore out. Oh, what a cute green box spring. Or maybe it's just a cover. Anyways. Oh, shit. Hold on. What's that? Look like mush bug for a second. Check that corner. I need my lights. I was just at Walmart and didn't think to grab. They made sure I didn't get disinfected, and they made sure I didn't bring it with me. He a fan, he a fan, he a fan ho. He a fan, he a, okay. Run. Live. OV ho. Then step this way. Step this way. Are you mine? I need the light on my phone. Sometimes you gotta hop out and show niggas. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to record anymore. Not even show them the room. Microwave, refrigerator. But I can't see in none of the dark spaces right now. Whew. Oh, goodness. I can't wait to shower. Shut up, Satan. They said they know that ponytail that had it. Oh shit, y'all. Why is there trash in here already? A razor. Like, what is these housekeepers? Okay, look, I don't want y'all to hear me do this. Because, you know, I get the going off. Get the going off. Last room I went in, they had the TV on already again. Okay, so, oh, I didn't realize how far they're selling this. All right, so that's it. I better get my purse, my little tote, rather, off the couch. Don't know. You know what be going on the couches. Oh, and you can't move this cushion. I've never seen them things. Okay, I need the light.